So hey guys, and welcome back to Born Traveller. Right, in this video I want to talk about what's the difference between a traveller and a tourist. And I think I've found the answer. Okay, let's get started. I always get asked by my Chinese students what is the difference between a traveller and a tourist. And try to explain to them. It's quite hard, but I think I've come up with the answer, and the answer is this place. I'm at a place called Selçuk in Turkey. It's famous for the ancient ruins just down the road from it, about 3 kilometres. People come to the ancient Roman ruins that are here, the best ones in the Mediterranean. However, they never come to this little town. And this little town represents the difference between a traveller and a tourist. Majority of people who come to Turkey, they either come on 2 different kind of holidays. They either come on a city break and they go to Istanbul, or they come on a beach holiday and they go down to the south, like Bodrum or Marmaris, and they just spend the whole time on the beach, you know, relaxing. And I've got no problems with that, but these people I would class as tourists. They are just there for a few days or a couple of weeks, and they just want to take a few nice photos, relax, enjoy a little bit of the culture, maybe see a couple of sites, and that's it, they're done. They don't really delve deep into a country's history, its culture, its people, its food. Whereas a tourist, they will go everywhere. They will go to the little towns, little villages. They'll find places that people don't know about. Obviously nowadays with Instagram and geolocating, that's almost impossible. But in the olden days, that's what people used to do. They used to go off the beaten track and explore and stay with people, meet locals, go have food with them, get taken around places by locals. And this place here, Selçuk, represents it perfectly. I'm today at the St. John's Church in Selçuk, and this is the view of the place. Now, as you can see, there is, like over there, there is the town, but here, out towards the sea, it's just farmland. And this represents the difference between a tourist town and a traveller's town. This is a traveller's town. Travellers come here in very small numbers, and so as you can see, the majority of this town is undeveloped, even though we've got this beautiful church, we've got a beautiful view out to the sea. There's lots of other things to see and do. There's the obviously you've got the ruins itself, you've got this castle, you have great food, beautiful people. It's a lovely peaceful place. We've got the mountains to look at, but as you can see, not many hotels have been built. If this was in a place where lots of tourists came, all you could see, for as far as you could see, would be hotels. I'll give you an example of kind of place like Jaipur in India. You know, that's a tourist town. You've got the Amber Fort, and the whole of the city is surrounded by hotels because of the Amber Fort. Tourists wanted to come there. Tourists come here on a bus from Bodrum or Marmaris. You know, it's a day trip. They can just go see the sights, they get back on the bus and they go back to the hotel. So there's no need for lots and lots of hotels to be built. There's no demand for it. And that is the difference between a traveller and a tourist. A traveller will come to places like this. They will seek out the places where tourists don't go. The places that are amazing, and they, you know, you can get really deep into the culture, see amazing things, and be off the beaten track. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button, and I'll see you next time.